So I just got out of my doctor's appointment because I'm on a workers' comp injury. Okay. So I got out and I played Hillcrest like I was telling Vinnie. Yeah. That I was looking at the map at the U-Disc Mac and it said that there was a store nearby, but then it showed a park. So I looked there, I'm like, oh shit, I'm gonna go play right now then. Yeah. So I played Hillcrest. Yeah, it was pretty good.
Was it windy?
It was windy.
Yeah.
It was windy, and being for the first time there, I didn't know where everything was at, so.
It is kind of, yeah. I was there yesterday, and man, it was like howling wind on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm all like, damn. So I came to drop into this one to see how this one looks. It looks pretty cool. It reminds me a lot of Shady Oaks in Sacramento.
Yeah, it's just a small technical.
Yeah. Nothing too big. Yeah, might have just poured that, guys. Nice.
Wow.
That shit skid really hard. It would have been nice if it skipped into the basket. Nice, dude. That was really nice.